Hey everyone, Stephanie here, and today I want to show you how to use TradingView. I'm literally going to walk you step by step on everything that I know and that I will learn as I continue to grow. So, the very first thing you want to do is go to www.tradingview.com. When you come here, this is the site that you should see when you come to tradingview.com, and I want to show you the simplest way to get to a chart. So right here where the search bar is, you're going to click on the search bar and you're going to type in whatever pair is of your desire. So I'm just going to start with the basic and I'm going to do Euro USD. Now once you type it in, different things will pop up. Okay, you have the choice to look at everything. You have the choice to look at just stocks, futures, forex, CFD, cryptocurrency, index, and economy. So I usually go with the first or the second one. Once you click on it, it'll take you to like the overall in-depth what's going on with euro, ideas, the overview, the technical. It just gives you an overall view of euro USD. But to actually see the chart that people usually share or that you see, you're going to click right here where it says full featured chart. Once you click that, you'll see a new tab pop up at the top and then it'll open up an actual chart. So this is a quick video showing you how to get to a chart within TradingView.